Hello people, we're back for another video, and today we have a stone trooper here, or like whoever trooper is. So yeah, for this is really awful. You can watch stone troopers, and you can play stone troopers in Xbox. So and this one is made out of Lego. So you see this slide. The legs can move, the arms can move, and the helmet can come off. Let's see this thing. And this is like a little, the head is right here. So yeah, you can move the helmet and everywhere you want to, but it only goes round and around. So yeah. The other little cockpit is only for